right, today we're going to take a look at this Klein tools. This is a NCVT1P. This is a non-contact voltage tester between 50 to 1,000 volts AC. It does come with the batteries, okay, and it's got the 6.6 feet, 2 meter drop protection, and it goes up to 1,000 volts. So you do have an LED indicator, and it's audible. And the reason I like these simple ones is because the tip itself will fit into the outlet and stay in the outlet. If you want to go and turn off the corresponding breaker, kind of like for me it works, and that's kind of how I like to use it. I tried the fancier ones that have a smaller tip and it does not stay in the outlet. And there's different options of identifying circuit breakers, but for me this works nice and simple. So let's take a look at this one. Should be pretty easy to open. Just push down that little tab, insert the batteries. Some information in here. All your specs, different languages, I assume. So you have an auto shut off protection, that way your battery doesn't drain if you forget to turn it off. All right, so let's see if it stays in the outlet, and kind of like what I like. If you want to turn it off, you can. All right, so you got your little green light is on. So if you put it on the outlet, you're able to let it go, which is kind of like what I like. All right. And it works. Alright guys, so if you want to check a power cord also, make sure it's on. Alright. Alright, so testing it on a vertical outlet. So this one stays nice and tight there. Perfect. And there you go. Simple and easy to use. Alright guys, if you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Don't forget to like and follow. Check out some of our links that do help out the channel if you want to pick one up. I'll see you guys on the next review.